testing audio, 1, 2, 3. Here's my vanity. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Lisanna Does Things. So as promised, here I am unboxing my Impressions Vanity mirror. It's been sitting around for a couple of weeks, so I'm finally gonna unbox it and I wanna make sure that I recorded it for you guys. So here we are. So, first things first, you want to grab a pair of scissors and cut the tape around the box. And the box is stapled around the corners too, so you want to pull that off. That was my very anticlimactic drum roll. So, right now what's going through my mind is that I hope nothing's broken, I hope that the glass just came in one piece and everything's okay. That is the flat piece of board that you're going to mount the mirror onto. And that black thing is connected to the back of the mirror. That's the cord and the screws that you'll need. For everyone who's wondering what I'm doing, I'm just checking around the mirror to make sure that we don't have any hairline cracks or any other damages on the mirror. As you can see, I got my mirror, but this was cut incorrectly. The mirror and glass around the socket is damaged, so you can kind of see how there looks like wear and tear, but the other ones are smooth and perfect. Otherwise, there's no other damages. Next step is to screw in your light bulbs. Just don't be clumsy like me and drop it. I really wanted to get the clear bulbs to go for that old Hollywood glamour look. I heard that the frosted bulbs were better, and I get really bad migraines triggered by bright lights, so I went with the frosted ones instead. Oh my goodness. Woohoo! Everything works. So you just want to make sure you test out the dimmers, and later in the video, I'll show you the rest of the features this mirror brings. Alright, so now that I have my glam mirror turned on, the video quality should be better. And look at these eyebrows, I just got them done yesterday. I waited 6 months to get these done. So I think last time I had them done was for my birthday in January, and today's July 7th. So, yeah. So these puppies were like waiting. Thank you to John at Escape Nails in downtown. I love you. So here we go. So these are where the bulbs come in. They come in this box. They're from Impressions Vanity. It says only use 120 volt circuits. Do not expose to moisture. Some clearance must be maintained between the lamp and the luminary. So I guess you can't like screw it in all the way. And lamp may not start at temperatures below 0 Celsius. Yeah. So they're dimmable and they're plastic. So if you saw earlier how I almost broke one, you'll be fine. They're plastic. But other than that, they're great. I don't know if you can hear that humming sound in the background. It gets louder as I turn up the intensity of the lights on the dimmer, so watch. Oh, okay, just kidding. It's just really, really bright. Let's turn that down. But they're pretty great. I'm super happy, so let's finish getting this done and screwing it in. So these are the instructions that I got. We're just gonna screw in this to the base and then we should be all set. Before you drill anything in, you just want to make sure that all the screws fit in properly into the pre-drilled holes and then into the mirror. So they should go down all the way. That's when you know they're in the right spot. Then you want to grab your drill and drill them in. This is what it looks like when I have the bulbs in and the lights on. You can barely notice it, so it doesn't bother me too much. On the lower right hand side, you'll see your on and off switch and your dimmer, which if you press all the way down turns off and all the way up turns on. On the left hand side, you see that there's a space for 2 built-in outlets, and the black cord runs from the back into any outlet that you can plug it into. And we're finished! Thanks for watching my unboxing of my Impressions Vanity Hollywood Glow Pro Mirror. It looks amazing. Don't look at my toes, those are not amazing. But everything works and I'm happy with the product. I'll definitely provide a review 3 months into me using the Vanity to see how everything goes. So my loves, hit that subscribe button for more content. I'll be posting videos weekly. Hit the like button if you love this video and tell me in the comment section, are you getting one? Do you already have one? What do you love? What do you hate about it? Let's chat. Until next time, dolls.